Sleepy baby. She's a sleepy baby. Oh, there's a smile. She's wearing gloves because her nails are long and Mommy hasn't cut them. Can we get another smile? Let's see. Oh, stretchies. Oh, stretchies. Waking up. Waking up. Stretchies. Stretchies. Oh, and she's back to sleep. Let's see if she smiles again. Gosh, she's just too cute. Too cute for words.